Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. And remember guys, leave me a like and subscribe for other delicious and amazing and fun-filled content coming your way. Alright guys, right now I'm gonna make a smoothie bowl. Alright guys, I'm gonna make quite a few, but this is part one. Alright, part one into the thing. And you know, my style, my way, I'm always different. Alright guys, I'm gonna order a smaller food processor because I have a big one, but sometimes you just want to make a portion for 1 or 2 servings. But if you use the big food processor, you're gonna make a whole lot. But you can use the food processor. It's way easier to make the smoothie bowl. All right guys, you will see when I show you. But for now, I'm gonna use my Ninja. All right, and this is the one I'm using. So let's get straight into the video. I have some mangoes, frozen mangoes, and some peaches. All right guys, but you can't tell the difference, right? Them so ripe and delicious. I'm gonna add it to my blender. Sorry guys, break it up. The next thing I'm gonna put in it's some ginger. You can't go wrong without ginger. All right, remember me tell you. I'm gonna put about a teaspoon, and this one is the instant ginger mix. Okay, you can put a fresh cut ginger, or if you want to make it easier, you can put a teaspoon or a tablespoon of ginger juice or ginger extract. All right, even the powder will do guys, but you know what, it's my way. Now when you're making this smoothie bowl, you don't want to use a lot of milk, okay, because you want it thick. So I'm gonna put about half cup. That's the amount. We don't want more than that. You have to shake it, or you have to take the lid off and mix it up again, or shake it or mix it to get it thick and nice. Okay, so let's blend. All right guys, so what you want to do, you want to blend and mix, or blend and shake. See how powerful? So you want to take it off and you want to shake it. Just continue to shake and blend. You see? That's how you want. I'm gonna give it one more blend. And that should do it. Okay, we're gonna serve up some. This is it. Can you see it? All right, I'm out back now. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, we're gonna see if we can pour some in this. Oh yeah, I think that's good. Now I have some strawberries, some blueberries, some cranberries, and I have this apple and cinnamon Quaker oats mix. I'm just gonna put a little bit on top. Okay, so we're gonna try to decorate the bowl. Let's smoosh it out a little bit guys, something like so. Blueberries at the side. Something like that. Then we're gonna get the oats, put a little bit like there, not too much, that's good, and a little bit of cranberries. So that's it. That's my smoothie bowl, and I'm outside. Where's my spoon? Let me get my spoon. And that's my spoon. I'm putting it right beside it, and my bird chirping. All right guys, this is it. Love upon me and I love upon you. Oh, and you know me, I have to taste it, right guys? But I'm gonna take the picture and come back. All right guys, I'm gonna taste it for you now.
Cup of strawberry.
Come on Shana. It's good.